afternoon. It is Friday, September 30th, 2011. It's approximately 3:18 in the afternoon, so we are in the last hour of the trading day. And we wanted to take a little time at the end of the live market just to talk about sticking to your guns, so to speak. If you find a good way for you to trade, if you find a high probability strategy, excuse me, that's a signal going off. If you find a high probability strategy, you should stick with that until it is proven otherwise. This morning we came in and we talked to some of our former colleagues still in the institutional world on Wall Street about how things look and what we were anticipating today, such as it were. And one of the kind of prevailing sentiments was, oh, we should get a rally at some point today and close out the day higher because it's both month and quarter end. And what you will often find is portfolio managers do not like to end the month or the quarter on a negative note, and they will buy the market to mark their positions higher. It's kind of a little bit of collusion, but nothing illegal because they don't talk to each other. It's just everybody knows it and everybody jumps in. So most people were expecting us to rally, and as you can see here, we started the day kind of on our lows, pushed higher. There was an attempt to push higher, came back a bit, pushed higher again, came back, pushed higher again, and we kind of topped out at this daily pivot level and began to roll over. Now we're coming into the end of the day, and the real decisions are going to be made over the next 15 to 20 minutes about which way the market is going to close. But for our purposes as a day trader, you certainly could have made your money in here, anywhere in here today. It almost doesn't matter what your strategy was, or what your strategy is. If you stuck to it and you weren't asking the market to give you too much, you certainly could have made your daily goal in here and been done for the day and not really be worried about what's going to happen here. And we are not in the business of prediction, so we're not even going to really suggest where this thing is going to end up, because as we said, if folks come in and want to own this thing before the end of the day, we could end up here, erasing the losses. We're down 160 ticks on the YM. Likewise, we could also roll over and go take out the low and really get going to the downside. So there's really no way of predicting. You just have to respond. We don't even have a position at this point because we had a pretty good morning and did what we needed to do for the day. So the upshot that we wanted to communicate in this week's free trading tip is find a high probability strategy, hone it, test it, back test it, forward test it, and once you're comfortable with it and you're sure how it performs in various situations, various settings, stick with your trading style, your trading strategy. Don't get taken out of it by the notion that this, that, or the other thing may happen on any given day or over any given time frame. That's it. We hope you guys have had an awesome week, and we hope you have an awesome weekend. We'll talk to you soon.